Okay, Herschel. Need a 9/16 too while you're over there, please. Now that you're back.
Yeah.
No biting, no biting. What's that? Yeah, the wrench or a socket. Yeah. It's a hiker. You don't need your kind. He didn't have any energy all day. Why he got energy now?
I don't know how that dog naps all day and then all of a sudden.
Yeah, the heat was getting him all day, but now all of a sudden I think he wants to go home. That's the deal. No nibbling.
I don't know if we want to try and put it up higher here or on the sticker area.
Whatever you think.
I don't know.
No. You can make a corporate decision.
Hell no.
Okay. Shut that guy off.